Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to add animation to a slide. Slideshows, PowerPoints are often used for presentations, personal developments in companies, but they can also be used in a classroom. I'm here to show you how to use animation in the classroom with story writing. Over here you can see I've already started a text box with two very simple sentences that perhaps a student could have written. The yellow cat ran into the room, and the dog followed her. Now, we're going to add some images to this page of a story. First, we're going to add a yellow cat. So we go over here to Image. We're going to search the web for a yellow cat. Now, I don't want a photograph of a yellow cat. I would prefer a drawing. So let's put yellow cat drawing and see what shows up. Yellow cat drawing. I am not happy with any of these. Let's try yellow cat clip art. Oh, I like these much better. I am going to choose this picture and hit insert. Once it appears on your slide, you can click on the corner and adjust its size and move it where you would like to have it on your screen. Now we will go to Insert, Animation. From here you can find two drop-downs that will help you choose and decide how you would like the image to appear on the screen. Cat can appear, disappear, fade in and out, fly in and out from various directions, zoom in, out, or spin. I would like to have the cat fly in from the left, so that is what I will click. I would like to also have the cat come in without having to click on the mouse, so I'll press after previous, and although we don't have a previous action, we can time using this slider here when the cat will appear after the slide has been presented. So I'm going to go with medium. At any point, you can come back and change these. You can hit play as a preview. And here we have the yellow cat ran into the room. I am happy with the speed that she enters the room. I will click stop, and that part is done. We can do the same with the second sentence. The dog followed her. So we go back to Image, search the web, and do dog. You can ask your student if your dog has a color or if they don't. If they do have a color, you can go back up to the text box and either you or the student can type in the color of the dog. Let's say they shared with you it was a brown dog. So you simply add brown into the text box. Here, you can add brown dog. And I will use clip art again. Let's see what appears. Okay, there are lots of various choices. And you, as your student, can scroll down and look down and keep scrolling. I like this little white dog. So let's insert the little white dog. Wait a minute. Then we'd have to change, right? Because the words say brown dog and your student, or in this case me, has chosen a white dog. So we go back to the text box and we just simply double click and write white dog followed her. Okay, we shrink the dog, if we'd like to be an equivalent size to the cat. We move it over to where we would like the final dog to be when everything is done. And we go back to animation, add animation. You can see the small dog in the thumbnail. This time we would like the dog to fade in. I think we're going to stick with fade in after the cat, but much slower. So let's move it here and see what happens. There's our yellow cat, and there is our dog. I'm happy with the speeds of both, so I will just click stop. So if you would like to see this in presentation mode, I can show you that as well. There is the yellow cat, and the white dog followed her. So I hope this short tutorial explanation of adding an animation has given you some ideas on how you and your students can create storybooks using slides. It is something that I found to be very exciting when I learned about it, and that is why I wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching.